Good morning. My name is Rudy Mayerly. I am single. I am from Tensa. I am 23 years old. I am working at marketplace. I am studying Puerto Continental. In my free time, I like be with my family and pets. I also like to play basketball. I put my daily routine. First the day Tuesday, jet at 3 a.m. Brush my teeth, take a shower, then I go to work in the marketplace. To at 8 in the morning I have my breakfast, half an hour before the night I set aside the market delivery to restaurants. In the afternoon I have at 2 p.m. my half lunch. I finish my work at 4 p.m. From 4 to 5 I take a shower and 5 the afternoon to add part of my studies. I at 8 I go to bed. Para la descripción de la imagen escogí la siguiente. He is concentric look at something to on the tablet. Anoche companion watching computer. There are two girls. One of them talking on the phone. Another uh, listening music. His TV. They take photos with professional cameras. Eso es todo. Gracias.